When the Prima touch panels were introduced, it redefined what a simple switch can be. The all-new Prima Plus describes our vision of the future. An innovative and elegant multi-touch switch. The Prima Plus is our most versatile touch panel yet. 6 touch switches can control a wide variety of devices. A touch dimmer can manage your entire lighting at one go. The fan controller offers industry-leading 3-way control, complete with a motion sensor and a lux level indicator. It is an all-around package in a single ergonomic multi-touch interface. The Prima Plus has multi-touch capacitive sensors, which are engineered to provide perfect responses to all your touch inputs. And with its unique yet robust design, it is heat, humidity, and shockproof, making it perfect for your home environment. The Prima Plus is easy to install, and with its retrofit design, it fits easily into your existing gang box without the need of an overhaul. You can control lights, program it to set the AC temperature, manage curtains, and much more. With its multi-sensor setup, control through Hogar Pro app, and voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant, it saves on those power bills. The Prima Plus reinvents the smart home experience, the way you always wanted it to be. With 4 color variants, it offers nearly endless customization through colors and icons. The Hogar Prima Plus touch panels. Elegance meets intelligence. Designed, manufactured, and available in several countries, considering different lifestyle practices around the world. We at Hogar believe in giving unparalleled quality and game-changing technology in your hand.